When we started Spatial 3 years ago, we asked ourselves a question: why, with all this data, is it still so hard to understand what are the people in an area like? What we discovered is that billions of people are sharing their interests through social media every day, but no one was capturing that information at a geographic level. We organized all those posts into 72 different consumer segments that can be analyzed across any block group in North America. And today, in partnership with Esri, we are releasing the Geosocial dataset on ArcGIS. So join us on November 12th. We're going to be doing a webinar with the Esri team, and we're going to walk through how to use geosocial data for site selection, suitability analysis, leasing strategy, and marketing. All answering the question, what is this area like? So join us on November 12th, and we will see you there.